Yours is close enough. It was maybe 296 to 3.
Oh, it's doing something. Is it supposed to be that noisy?
No. Hardly. You're doing 8 steps, the micro steps, where I'm doing 16. So.
Mine's less accurate than yours is.
What are you printing?
A cable clip.
Oh, okay. I thought it was Bender. I'm like, this does not look like Bender. You know what? You're gonna have all kinds of problems with it. You're gonna calibrate things and get things to not skip. But who cares?
Yeah.
You are making that thing. Right?
That's awesome. Thank you.
You are.
And thank you.
Woo! Big woohoo! Woo!